Hi guys, good morning. So today we'll see a data cloud consultant certification maintenance winter 25. So we have three units, so we'll see one by one. The first one is what learn what's new in the data cloud setup and administer for winter 25. So total we have six questions, so we'll see one by one. So what changes have been made to a data cloud setup? Data cloud setup navigation has been upgraded and reorganized. Users to develop a profile will go for A and B. D. Next, so what is the role of external data lake object DLO in data cloud data federation? Right, it acts as a reference to the data stored in a partner external program. So, what is the main goal of refining user access to data spaces? So, to improve the data security and align with the CRM access control. So how can users be granted permission to view specific data lake objects? You go for C by assigning them to a permission set association with the data spaces where the DLO lives. So what does the platform encryption key management work for a data cloud? Right, it allows the control of encryption keys with a single root key. So what advantage to new data types provided in the data cloud? So they enhance the flexibility and expand the compatibility with the external system. Let me check the first unit. Done. So we completed first unit. Let's go for the second one. So second one is what's new data injection and identity resolution for winter 25. Let's see. Right. So in which scenarios are the data graphs particularly used for? We'll go for D. So when personalizing the web pages or accessing customer 360 profiles quickly. So which of the following is an example of unstructured data? Chart transcript. So what's new option does a user have to copy a data cloud data into objects? Right, I will go for D. Next, true or false, a user can quickly verify the data cloud triggered flow behaves as intended without manually configuring a debug parameters. Yes, true. So which tab provides access to AI models into a data cloud? We'll go for Einstein Studio. Check the unit. Done. So we'll go for the last one. Insights and data actions for winter. New segmentation. Right. So what is Einstein Data Prism? Simple. A feature that adds semantic descriptions to the data cloud schema. So how can a user create a data cloud reports without going to the reports tab? How? So create a report from the calculator insights or a DMO list view. Next, so how can a user turn off a smart totals in a report? So use the toggle in the report footer. What is the benefit of combining first and third party data into the clouds? What is that? To improve generative AI feature for Einstein per service. Clear? Done. Check the quiz. Yes. completed. So a data cloud consultant certification maintenance is completed. Thanks for watching.